and hearts aglow. There's something special we all can show. It's not the biggest gift you see, or bows and boxes under the tree. It's a smile, a hug, a helping hand that makes this season truly grand. The magic of giving, shine, shine, shine. Sharing love makes spirits climb. The magic of giving, small or big, when we give with hearts so kind. Give a smile, give your care. Love grows bigger when we share. A toy to lend, a coat to share, helping someone, showing care. A thank you note, a gentle cheer. Kindness means so much this year. You don't need gold or shiny things. Kind words are the best gifts we brew. When we give, our hearts feel light. The world glows warm and bright. The magic of giving, shine, shine, shine. Sharing love makes spirits climb. The magic of giving, small or big, when we give with hearts so kind. Give a smile, give your care. Love grows bigger when we share. When I say give, you say love. Give love. When I say share, you say joy. Share joy. Clap your hands, clap, spin around. Let's spread kindness all year round. At home, at school, or far away, we can give in many ways. Stir listening ears, helping feet, make each giving moment sweet. Every day, not just this time. Giving love is always fine. The greatest gift is what we do when our hearts are kind and true. The magic of giving, shine, shine, shine. Light the world with love divine. The magic of giving.